Good morning. Today we're going to be taking a look at what we need to do when we try to have to do a join between a table and itself. If we're looking at our student schema right here, we have our course table. It's up here in the middle. And as you can see, we have our course and it has a prerequisite as a foreign key. That foreign key, however, is a reference to itself because the course to course itself, it's like, what is another course's prerequisite? Why, it's a different course. And so when we're trying to look at something like that, we have to have a foreign key to ourselves. When a table has a reference to itself, we might have to do a join on that. In order to do that, we have to learn how we can do a join to yourself and actually get some information from that. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at how we can make that happen using SQL, specifically Oracle SQL to do that, and look at how we can get that information from there. So we'll go ahead and take a look at that right now. The way we're going to be able to do a course-to-course join is we're going to have to make sure that the from and the join refer to the same table but in different ways. And so as you can see up here in my select clause, I've got COU.description and COU.cost from course COU. So I'm talking to that course table right here, but I'm going to join course again using course as PRE. And the way I'm going to do that, I'm going to say that PRE.course number is equal to the course's prerequisite. And I want to get that in all the courses where it's less than $5,000 to pay it. So I'm running that query right now. You can see I've got 25 rows selected, and so I have a description of a course and its cost right there, but I'm only talking to the course table itself. So if I want to do and talk with the other table, the prerequisite table that I've already specified right here, all I have to do is just go up here right there on that, and I'll just do PRE and then a dot, and I'll talk about this one. I'll do the prerequisite description, and then do as and prereq. And we hit play on this query right here, and boom. And so we have that same description. So the Internet Protocols course costs $11.95 and it requires you have taken operating systems first. So does Intro to Unix. Oh, okay. And so when you're doing a course-to-course join, when you're doing a table-to-table join on itself, you have to make sure that you're matching that primary key, foreign key relationship as always. And so make sure you have that specified. So I'm using the same table itself, course, for both of the queries. However, I use the alias so I can make sure I assign that properly. And so from course COU, I'm going to join that on course PRE, where the prerequisite version of it is course number is the same as the original table course.prerequisite. So I'm matching that primary key, foreign key relationship still, but I'm making sure I can specify what I'm talking about in that, and I just have to use that lovely power of aliasing so I can do that information appropriately. And that way I can use the ability to select those information and retrieve that data from itself by doing a join on itself. And that's how you can do a query that joins itself. Thanks again. Have a great day. Cheers.